Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How's it guys? Good to here. Tomatoes, bow horns, Peterbilt. I guess I do a photo shoot with him, with the truck. Pretty much I do is I take a picture of the truck, so that's all I do. This is really simple. Maybe. What the? Oh, it was cool. I saw it smoke coming out of it. I thought it was about to blow up. Till I looked up and see a pipe up there. Oh, cool. It did. Be a full-time honk and Peterbilt with bow horns. That's if I push the right button. Nah, I do it like this. Then do no one out here. God's plan. Oh, there's a Mac coming. He might honk. He only honks his horn once. Yeah, he's still on. Nope. And now they're behind him, avoiding a lamp. What the? A kind of tractor. Like behind a tow truck. Do they tow tractors? They might have produce in the back of the truck here. I don't know. I don't really know what they have. This is the first time they ever came. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, look at this. Cold in there. Smells. I like the smell of produce. Especially when it's all mixed up like this. Cool. Look at that. But they have these, so I guess it's easy to slide pallets out and in. It's cold in there. I cannot look. If you can't see my meals, I cannot see you. Then I have to send for Florida. I can take a picture of that for odds tomato. Car can vehicle makes wide like points. I'll take a picture of that though. To avoid serious injury from falling or shifting cargo, be cautious when opening this door. Well, don't let's go push it up, Ethan. We all realize that. Look at how the doors are over here. I actually didn't have tickets, but y'all get it. They're thick. This is the first time having a refill trailer or refill box coming, or box truck coming. Pretty nice. Got onions. Oh, well, that's it. And tomatoes. There's corn here. You're gonna see a frost over there. You're gonna see how thick that trailer thing is right here. Oh, yeah. Oh, shifty. Hey, I was talking that I used to don't like when people walk up behind me. It scared the crap out of me. And it's a Packer. I If y'all want me to ever see me filming your truck and without your permission, keep in mind, I'm advertising you, not scared the crap out of me. I can't tell by how I moved. It's been so long since I got a doorbell to honk, only 3 times each month. But I got both ones. Maybe I get honky horn or something, or maybe even do the arm pump. So I'm sitting a good foot from the truck, and I still feel the cold air, guys. Then you gotta keep in mind that this truck might be more safer, but you cannot miss this stuff. You got wondering what the company is? It's Todd Tomato Wholesale Produce. I don't know why I didn't read the the box before. I was questioning if it was produce, but I guess the picture could be on Facebook. I got more information. It's pretty nice though for a Peterbilt like this, especially all the boat with the boat one up there. Watch Sunday honk your horn right when I mess it. Watch truck center to where the truck came from. Good chrome bumper. Like this. I might see about winning that photo contest for y'all. Where all the picture and video will be in the photo contest. One of them will be y'all pick. So we got international coming now, guys. And I don't trust it. Well, who cares? I'm doing it anyway. Oh dang, Colombia's coming. I think it's electric. I think it's electric. Now it's time to get black lights, horns again. I don't know. Because if I don't know. Go over here and I get a full black horn on my face. Well, truly I probably should do a no photo for all the way back here. Ow. Yep, it's loud. And that's why I don't stand in front of people when they go honk the horn. Holy crap, that's loud. It sounds like a max too. Now my headache, my ears hurt, my head hurts now. But oh well. Sure, you get black in the face by the bow horn. All tomato comes in, might begin produce again, guys. Take a picture of what it looks like. I'm probably gonna eat half the onions, if we got onions. If we got onions, I'll be taking the carrots and onions. Yay! I got some free carrots and onions and carrots and onions. I don't know why, but the one food I like the most would be carrots and onions for some reason. I don't know. Like I literally cut off the ends of the carrot and just eat the carrots all day. And the only thing I eat would be that carrot. I actually sometimes will bite it. I just bite nothing but eat everything but the core of the carrot, and if you lick a long stick, like it actually gets sweet. Oh, driver can't see me. Driver still can't see me. Driver still can't see me. Now you can. See, Will. Don't like a horn, boy. Or I don't know. It's a command. It says just go ahead and be it. Oh yeah, they do. What the heck? Pretty shiny shit. What the heck? Don't tell me that's a man lady. Man lady go when a man dresses up like a girl and thinks you're a girl. Though sometimes I'm like that too. Like I'll be wearing something like pink. I get the wrong sort of skies on, I wear it. One of my friends say, "Hey, sis, come here." And I say, "I'm not your sister." And they say, "Oh, but you're wearing pink and she's wearing pink. What do you expect?" But it's pretty nice that they got honky horn though, like in the parking lot kind horn. Still loud, but not that loud to the point of not wanting to honk anymore. All the drivers that leave, they all need honky horn. I still got a honk from the Subaru. All these photos will be on only Facebook and YouTube. Then once I start to get to talk to the drivers more and know them, I will post them on the pic. I do one of the photos will be on the photo contest. They said something that explain to you. Well, the Peterbilt explained to me. Oh, seriously. If I was gonna pick a truck to film between Dandy W900's truck and if I pick a truck between the one truck in my calendar, which will be that Volvo, or that Mac, I picked the Mac. Yeah, I love Mac, especially the super custom Mac only. Oh yeah, boss. BTM cookies. Check them out. He's looking at me. That's what I want to ask. Funny, it's a mean Pete. It's not so long. Watch, he honking home again too. Huh? He went to reach for that or something. Yeah, I'm moving. Honk again? Nope. Yep, he did. Most of them are like that. They'll honk the horn in the parking lot. Then when they leave, they honk the horn too. I made his day. All the guys that come in here see me to the arm pump. Like, last day, I did an arm pump to the guy. One of these stores I got doing arm pump to the floor hardware guy. I knew where, I thought he was no cat shit. So I kept doing arm pump. Normal day, kept doing it. I think put his hand like this, like that, both his hands. And I'm like, whoops, one guy. But watch, alright guys, stay safe. Alright guys, stay trucking. I want more Peterbilt should be on the features on the channel, or your truck feature on the channel. If you're not portable or anything. If you want your truck featured on my channel, if it's any brand, I don't care any brand. Even if it's a piece of junk mom and cab over that doesn't even run, I still film it. That's make me happy though. But you have to pay me the $5 if you want me to film your truck. A whole 13-minute video, maybe even a 30-minute video if it's a cab ride and horn honk. 30-minute video if you want me to film your truck for $5 or under. $5 includes a cab ride, a tour of your truck, a horn honk, and everything I do, and a video, and pics with you next to your truck and stuff. But you have to do it in a truck stop at a truck show, and it has to be a custom truck It doesn't have to have train horns. If it's like that, and if you want me on a horn, that'd be $10 for a custom truck to be filmed. And $20, yeah. $10 if you want me custom film your custom Pete or Mac. Now if I get a cab over, it's gonna be $2.50 for me to film it because it's an older truck. Older the truck is, less the cost is. So $2.50 for 1960s, $1 for 1930s, and 50 cents for 1929 and under. So yeah, and if it's a Cascadia that you want me to film, that would be $50 if you want me to film your Cascadia that doesn't have a boat horn or train horn or a normal or not custom nice, anything custom nice about it. But yes, well, $50 is the highest I can go.